would say this is fantabulous. I think with every instance of BlueHat, this is the third version, and I think we have surpassed every expectation. I think this has been like almost done at a pro level. It's absolutely legendary. Conferences like these, events like these, they do, as I mentioned earlier, that they do provoke thoughts regarding what you should be looking at from a security standpoint, like what should be your next move. So definitely, I think it definitely brings in a lot more perspectives.
BlueHat has changed the way of thinking about AI, like how we need to secure AI and AI data models.
I've been to multiple villages. Fishing village was one that I particularly enjoyed. It gave us an opportunity to actually do a fishing campaign that they are going to judge. Even taking from the logistics till the execution of every village, and then our speaking sessions, everything was seamless.
The absolute favorite moment in BlueHat Asia was the keynotes, particularly that was given by the top bosses. They were eye-opening, and it also gave you the perspective how our security and AI community is growing from the lens of Microsoft.